In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this network error problem with an error code of 0x800704f8, which is a pretty common problem for most of the people. And we will see a quick solution on how we can resolve that. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, guys, in your Windows 11, just go to the start menu and open up the run command, or you can use the short key of Windows. Hold the Windows key and press R key on your keyboard. This will open up the run command. So we will write like this, gpedit.msc. And once we do that, click OK. And from here, we choose administrative templates. Go to the network options and select the LAN man workstation. And you will find here enable insecure guest logons. So again, from the computer configuration, administrative templates, then network, then LAN man workstation, and then we will choose enable insecure guest logons. Double click to open it and change this option to enabled. And that's it. Click on apply and OK. And after that, just close out of here, open the start menu again. And this time we will write local security policy. Hit enter to open it. We will select the local policies, expand this and select the security options. And from here, we will search for the Microsoft Network Client. So if you are unable to see it in the long list, you just select any of the option and press M on your keyboard. This will take you to this section. And we will select this one, Microsoft Network Client, digitally sign communication always. This is the option that you need to choose. Double click on it. And it's already disabled, but if it is enabled, make sure that you turn it to disabled. Click on apply and OK. And for the next one, if the server agrees, which is the next option just under this, double click on it and make sure to disable this. Click on apply and OK. And after that, just close out of here. You might need to restart your computer once in order to make it effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.